Happy weekend, guys. So if you're in want of a breakfast idea, I am here today to show you one of the yummiest breakfasts that you can have with your family. Come closer. This breakfast originates from Nigeria and we call it Akara. That is bean cake or fritters, whichever one you choose to call it, but it is originally known as Akara and it is from Nigeria. This Akara is made from black-eyed beans. Not any kind of beans. It has to be brown beans or black-eyed beans. Kidney beans and the rest of it cannot cook. So yes, come with me, let us cook. So you start by getting some beans into the bowl, put some water and allow this to soak for about 5 minutes. After that, you head for your blender. At first, you're not blending. You're just going to crush the beans so as to remove the skin of the beans. I don't know if you get it. So watch closely to see how I do this. You are not blending, you're just trying to crush it. Instead of doing it manually, this is a very quick and easy way to do it. A lot of people love Akara, but because of this, they run away from eating Akara because it's so difficult to remove the skin. But hey, you can do that within 2 minutes. Yeah, look at that, I'm done, and I'm just going to filter it and remove the skin. So keep adding fresh water and filtering until you get rid of the skin, the part that contains the black eye. The reason for this is that so when you fry the Akara, it doesn't turn black. You get what I mean? So after frying the Akara, when you have removed the skin and the black eye, the Akara will look more inviting. So that is why we are doing this. Do this as much as possible until you get rid of all the skin and the black eye. So yeah, I'm done washing the beans, and behold, the beans washed and clean, and this is the chaff that came out. So we are going to discard this chaff. We don't have any need for it. Making Akara is pretty easy and requires just a few ingredients: onion, pepper, salt, beans, and of course oil for frying. So this is the onion and pepper we're using, and I just transferred it into the beans and to a blender. Add a little water and then blend. Please be careful with water. You need a consistency that is not watery, so just be careful with water. Blend with a little water so that you can add more water in case you need it later, but blend with a little water. So you blend to smooth. Make sure that you blend this into a very smooth puree. The smoother, the better. So now I'm done blending the beans and we transfer the puree into a bowl. This is so I can add my salt and mix it properly. But before then, I just go ahead to set a pot on fire and then add some oil. Actually, you need a lot of oil because you need to deep fry. You need to put this oil ahead of time so that it heats up. You cannot put the puree into a cold oil. It has to be very hot. So when I put the oil on fire, I had to go back to add salt to the puree. I added some salt and then mixed this thoroughly. Ensure that everything mixes well. You can see the mixes well. You can see the consistency. It is not too watery and it is not too thick. So this determines what the Akara would look like. So please be careful with water. Now that everything is set, I start the frying. I transfer the blended puree into the hot oil by molding it with a small spoon. If you have a deeper spoon than what I'm using, that would be better. So I transfer this into the oil, it's going to form like balls. And please don't scoop too much at a time. because it's better at, fried as very little balls, like, if you know what I mean. So after about 5 minutes, you need to flip the balls, the akara now, so that it fries evenly. Keep your eyes on it so that they don't get burnt. And after molding it into the oil, I advise that you reduce your heat a bit, medium heat, not low heat, medium, and not too high, so that it doesn't get burnt at the back while the inside is not cooked. So flip over everything and then allow it to fry for about 1 to 2 minutes again, and this is what it looks like. The akara is ready. That's the first batch of our akara. If you're used to eating your akara while you're frying it, raise up your hand. Because I'm sure it is not only me that eats akara or plantain when I'm frying. Like, you can't just resist the temptation, can you? So I had some puree left, and I'm going to fry the second batch still with the same oil. So just mold into the oil, and I'm just going to do it the same way I did the first batch. So in Nigeria, akara is mostly consumed alongside pap, like they are perfect combo, and that is exactly what I'm going to be using to enjoy my well fried akara. Let me know what you love to enjoy your akara with. So guys, as you can see, making akara is pretty simple and easy. Akara can be a great addition to your menu, so please add this to your menu and thank me later. It is a very perfect choice for breakfast and even dinner, especially when the weather is cold. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe. Let me know also what you would like for me to prepare in my next video, and I'll be glad to bring it your way. Thanks so much for staying with me throughout this video. Thanks to my returning subscribers. Thanks to those that are watching me for the first time. I hope you like, share, and comment on this video. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscription button right now. I remain your girl, and I love you so much. Bye.